Hey guys, we're gonna transform these sneakers into some really cool dinosaur shoes. So let's get to it. As you can see, the shoes are already dry. So we're just gonna add some more detail to the shoe and then we're gonna be pretty much done. Look, it's Raptor Blue! So we're gonna add some cool stickers. I think we could put this Velociraptor right there. Cool. See? We have Stegosaurus and we have Velociraptor, but let's add more. We're gonna add the Triceratops. Right there. Two. I forgot the name of this one. Do you know the name of this dinosaur? Because I forgot it. Why don't I put it like right here? Or actually, yeah, let's put it right here. No, let's put it right here. Actually, let's put it right here. Up there. Look at all these dinosaurs that we're adding to these shoes. Cool. What's the name of this dinosaur? Good job. What about this one? Good job. What about this one? Good. And this one? Great job. And here we have it. We created the best and the coolest Dinosaur Sneakers.
Thank you for watching this video. Oh no,